I am installing a Fanimation Slinger V2 ceiling fan light combo. I have black, white, red and ground wire coming out of my ceiling. Where do I connect the red wire to on the Fanimation controller box?
What's the brand and model of your ceiling fan?
Fanimation Slinger V2.
What have you tried so far?
Nothing yet.
Anything else you want the electronics expert to know before I connect you?
No, that's all.
Hi. This is Brad. I will try to help with this. Are there two wall switches that previously controlled the old fan and light separately? The new fan has a receiver, control box, and remote?
2 wall switches and a control box. The control box came with the new fan. The old fan was a light and fan but did not have a remote control or a control box. I know the red wire went to the switch to control the light and the black went to the switch to control the fan. But the instruction on this Fanimation Slinger V2 does not cover wiring when you have 4 wires coming out of the ceiling.
Okay. Thanks for that. Red will not be used. It can be tapped off or capped.
Okay, I wasn't sure. Thank you for your help.
No problem. Have a good one.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.